The Ministry of ICT says there are so many people who have applied for broadcasting licenses in the kingdom.
The Director of Information in the Ministry of Information, Communication and Technology, Pesha Dube, says it has been the second time that they met with broadcasting stakeholders to look into the validation of the broadcasting bill. He says it is a good thing that the stakeholders in broadcasting have organized themselves into groups. He says this will make it easy for his ministry to workshop the stakeholders on the issues of broadcasting.
What we decided to do yesterday with the Communications Authority is to conduct a number of workshops, because it may not be as easy as it sounds. There's a lot that needs to be done in terms of infrastructure for monitoring, in terms of personnel, particularly with the Source and Communications Commission, and in terms of the regulations that needs to be done, because they need to be regulated. So there's a lot that still needs to be done. However, what is encouraging is that people have formed themselves into groups and associations, so it's very easy to know where they are now. So it will be easier as well to conduct the workshops that I've mentioned earlier.
Dube says some of the applicants requested the Ministry of Information, Communication and Technology to give them short-term broadcasting licenses, but there's still a lot that needs to be done as far as broadcasting is concerned. Humphrey Dlamini, Smoko Shongwe, Swazi TV News, Babane.